tide at 4:30 p.m. On Thursday, low tide at 8:40 a.m. High tide at 5:20 p.m. For Clear Lake entrance, tide times for today, low tide at 1:15 p.m. High tide at 11:52 p.m. On Thursday, low tide at 2:11 p.m. For Port O'Connor, tide times for today, low tide at 9:36 a.m. High tide at 9:34 p.m. On Thursday, low tide at 10:30 a.m. High tide at 10:44 p.m. The water temperature at Galveston Bay entrance was 57 degrees. Wind chill watch remains in effect from Thursday evening through Friday morning. What minimum wind chill values near or below zero? Where? Portions of southeast Texas. When? From Thursday evening through Friday morning. Impacts. Very cold wind chill may result in hypothermia or frostbite if precautions are not taken. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA radio's warning device. Wind chill watch remains in effect from Thursday evening through Friday night. What?